Come on now. Real beauty is more than just outer appearance, Priscilla. Real beauty is deep within. Real beauty is not just how you look. Real beauty is not the fact that your belly flat. Your belly can't flat. But your mind's so dirty. Real dirty. You're sick. Very sick too.
And she's royal, yeah, so royal.
So, yeah, we're going to talk about beauty now, because I think a lot of us are mistaken as what true beauty is. Let me tell you something. You can be one of the most attractive human being and one of the ugliest human being on planet Earth. Should I repeat that or just let it sink in? Should I repeat what I just said or just let that sink in? Try to emphasize. You can be one of the most attractive, curvaceous female. Chocolate, move from there and go one side and send out vanilla car. You know. But I'm just saying, you could be one of the most curvaceous, bootylicious, voluptuous, whatever shush you want to call it, female, and you're the ugliest female God has ever created. Now, I know appearance matters. Yes, so I know a lot of person think is that the fact that they have a big body, or they have small waist, or they have some big titty, or it's some stiff titty, and then things so then look good. Some people bleach up and chrome up, and when me tell us then chrome them spotless. When you look on them chrome, and then curvaceous, and then waist little, and then body big, and then titty stiff, and then wear the most form-fitting clothes because them have something where they want for display, and then they think I am so goddamn beautiful. But how beautiful are you? Come on now, talk to me. Now, people, let's talk about this. I hate when a woman seems to think she needs to compare herself with another woman to say, I look better than you. The fact that you're comparing yourself with me to say, I look better than Valine, it tells me that you don't know how you look. Because you're in a competition with me, and I'm not in a competition with you. So you're fighting a losing battle. Now, you can't look good, your body look good, but your teeth, they're rotten teeth now. Weird, this at 2023, me not care who get the stone. Me say stone me a fling tonight, mercy. So you have some women out here who feel like because they shape better than some person, or in their mind they shape better than another woman, them a come past them place with woman who no look good, who for belly big, who black, who ugly, who twist up, who for body flat like for chocolate your body flat. And that's why millennial one body come here, your real charges, so you know me I go get your back. So now I want to say, I want women to understand beauty is not exterior. Yes, your appearance matters, and yes, I know we all want to look good. Yes, I know we look good with the big hips and the big body. Some look like turkey can. All I want to look good with it, because some I want to mess with the big body and the little fine foot that make it look like we don't have extra knock knee. You don't look good. I tell you now, I'm not afraid to tell none of you. And if you touch my button too much, I call all of the name because it don't look good. I want to say, be comfortable in the skin that God created you in. You can't walk around trying to make people feel bad about themselves when you didn't feel good about yourself. You cannot body shame any natural bodied woman. If you touch, tweak, edit, or touch, or anything you do cosmetic, you dare not open your mouth and tell another woman she no look good. Who no like me now? Who want follow me? Who say me no like how you talk? Who say stone a fling? Who say shades are true? I said what I said. You who do anything with yourself that God created, if you touch, tweak, whatever you do, one stitch, one nip, one tuck, you not fit tell nobody say they no look good. Are you have low self-esteem? Are you ugly? Are you shame of God? When God made us, He made us in His likeness and in His image. He created us wonderful. We were wonderful and fearfully made. And when we can't be comfortable with what God make, and we have to go tuck in with belly and suck out and pelt out and put on one big 10-pound body back, and we big so, and then you tell yourself that this is the be all of you. Without the body, you're nobody. Without the top belly, you're nobody. Without the two breasts that we can juke somebody's son in the eye, you're nobody. Hello, that's how you know, so you have low self-esteem. That is how you know when you're suffering from low self-esteem. When you fix your body before you fix your cavity, that's how when you know you suffer from crazy amount of low self-esteem. Wanna like me, I like on still. Some people prefer to buy one wig for $300-400. Go and get it. What you call it when you put on the one when then glued on for your sink? Get it slayed or laid. Go and get them face beat and thump up our makeup artists. Get some nice fingernail pan in hand. And when they open their mouth, one big white towel you look pan. 2 cavity up here and 1 round here so. Beauty is more than just an exterior thing. Beauty is not just the fact that you have a nice complexion, you have a neat little nose, you have a cute little mouth, some beautiful little eyes. There's more to that than beauty. That's why most young girls don't feel beautiful, because we taught them to believe you are not beautiful the way God created you. We tell every woman, shape good because your body not big and your belly not flat. We tell the women with the stretch marks after having 2-3 babies with labor of love that your body not look good because your belly have a stretch mark. I have 3 children and I don't have a stretch mark on my belly. I could have stand up and show my belly pretty, nice and pretty. But that don't mean the sister who have the stretch mark belly not pretty. I call them scars of love. That's what I call them. We have to cut this thing out where we're making other women feel less than who they are just because they may not look like us. How beautiful are you when your oral hygiene is poor? Start there. How beautiful are you when your mind is sick? Your mind is contaminated. Your mind is filthy. Your thoughts filthy. Your words filthy. Your mouth filthy. How beautiful can you be? I want to know how beautiful you think you are, when all you can do is stare down another woman who is comfortable in the skin God created her in. I own a man. Want to get that false sense of self to think if you're not a size 6, then you're not beautiful. What about the woman that is size 14? That is more than beautiful. She's gorgeous. What about her? What about the plus size women? What about the woman that wears size 18 and size 22? And she knows how to love her fellow men. She knows how to straighten her sister crown. She knows how to say, hang in there, you're beautiful, I love you. What are we voting for? What Tamara is in now? What are we voting for, sweetheart? Whatever it is, don't vote for Tamara. I don't know what it is, but I love Tamara. Vote for her. I don't know what it is. Please vote. But that's what I'm saying. How you gonna make a woman think because she's 6 feet tall, she's not beautiful? She have to be 5'6" to fit the model. No. Every word come out of your mouth is nasty and despicable and distasteful. Some of us big women in our 40s with sick dog stomach on the media with our conduct. Every word come out of our mouth just make somebody cringe like, ooh, hey, ooh, he. That's how y'all make we feel. And you would say you're beautiful. But let's talk real beauty. Real beauty is when you accept what God created. Real beauty is when you accept what God created as perfect. Real beauty is when you come out here without the wig on your head and make we see your natural hair and see your edges. Nobody we can show their natural hair can tell me say them comfortable in their skin. Nobody. But let's just say you can show it but you don't feel like show it. That not make you less beautiful. This is the type of thing people will say to make you feel bad. Some people say, oh, if you wear fingernail, you're not comfortable. But the same person I say, if you wear fingernail, I wear makeup. Let we cut that out. Real beauty is the core. What God created firstly that is your true beauty. And I make nobody tell you nothing else. Your real beauty is the core. All the other things, the little eyebrow what we do here, the little lipstick and the lip gloss and the little face touch up is added on. But you must be comfortable in your skin. Sometimes I wonder if when Christ return, if he will recognize some of us. Because who he created is not who going back home, I am not so sure if he will know us, Sometimes I wonder if Christ are going to know us when he see us, Because who him create and who left down here. And the few people down here that are comfortable with themselves, you have stupid people trying to make you feel bad about yourself. Me hear them as a chocolate body flat, but chocolate been married for 30 years. One man a love her and lock her down for 30 years. So him not care about body. He care about chocolate mind and chocolate art. He care about chocolate love and passion for humanity. He care about chocolate godly nature as a human being. Not the fact that she not have 150-pound body if you make she favor one of them big old turkey there for Christmas in this time of year or 1 month in July. I see people who never take a wig off their head yet. Say I'm ugly because I look like man because I cut me hair. And I'm sure if God were to examine us tonight, he'd say my mind, my heart, my thoughts, my deeds are way more beautiful than these people. Let me tell you something, people. Don't ever tell yourself you're beautiful based on how you look, especially when you fix yourself like that. Because if most of it stay, oh God, make way. After the babies and the long down titty them and the stretch mark and the flat out body where we end up with, if we did come out here in that condition, none of you could have hype on nobody. You're not going to sit down here, man, and move from here and go sit on one side. But you don't come past in a place and make other women feel bad about themselves. What about the woman that cannot afford to do the touch and tweak and the tuck and nip and whatever I want to do? Who not going to tell them say they're not beautiful? That's why the daughters growing up thinking they are not beautiful. You women who are saying these things are giving little children complex. You are giving little girls complex. You are making little girls feel if me and a Becky with the good hair me is not pretty. You're making little girl feel if them bottom not big, they not shape good, so them for go one side. They not for enter no competition, they not for enter the pageant at the school, the little teenage pageant and the little thing. They not for strive to be a model. Model come in all size, none of them have plus size models. You have people who have just some cute, neat, pretty toes, where them be shoe model. Since when? Since when? The body where you go make doctor drape up and drop and run thread through and string up to make you look like something where then draw. Make you more beautiful than the other sister. Calm on yourself down, man. Calm down. When I get it like a warm, I choose say, when I get it, I just, but me say, listen now. Women, I want you to remember your worth. All women here tonight, please share the live if you're here, and don't be afraid to share the live. If you're here tonight, I want to remind you you're beautiful in any shape, in any color, and in any size that God created you with and in. I don't have a problem with those people who want to touch up what them a touch up, because to each his own. I don't have a problem with any woman, any sister who feel like, boy, me feel like I want to go do them like a dollop. But once you touch anything, you don't come back out here and say anybody not look good. You lost the right to say that. The first day the doctor do the first nip and pin and tuck, you lost that right to come out here. First I see you. Joseph, I see you. Share love. And say to another sister that you don't look good, you don't shape good. Because remember, that way you have done not even years. Don't disrespect a sister who is comfortable in her skin, who is not suffering from low self-esteem, who don't have any complex, to try to make her feel less than a woman because you felt less than a woman. So you had to go do your butchering. Now you want to come talk to good people who comfortable in their own skin, whose man is attracted to their mind, their intellect, their spirit, their integrity more than just a body. I don't want a man that is attracted to just my body. I have a man here, and I can tell you he's fully attracted to me. And part of what he's attracted to most. Nothing up there, so I'm not dealing with you. You have to come good up here, so. Because he loves a woman who stimulates him in conversation. He wants a woman that can stimulate more than him, his body when he's naked. He wants a woman that when she speaks to him in such a way that he feel like his spirit was watered. Hey Rika, how was the vacation, honey? Shani, Nicaragua. That's it. That's what she said? I think so. I know it's gone, but I see something looking like that. I'm not sure. Patsy. So let's remember, I know sometimes we have people saying, blessings, my sister, how you doing, my darling? Give the prayer group my thanks for sharing and helping with praying my son through. I appreciate you all so much. Thank you. And this is the thing. Women are feeling less and less beautiful because some women out here who don't know who they are, who doctor have to tell them this is who you are, coming out here to say to our other sister, you don't look good, your body flat, your belly big, look how your shape, your eye big, your back, your hand, your foot, your toe, your head, No, you're not going to do that. And don't believe that. Sisters, when any woman come out here and tell us, say, you don't look good, just shows your teeth and say, look who is talking. Just give them that. Look who is talking. A low self-esteem and no confidence straddler telling you you're not beautiful. No. Come on now. Real beauty is in the way we think. Real beauty is in the way we see others. Maria, I see you. Diana, I see you. Real beauty, Valerie, I see you, is how we look at another human being. Real beauty is how we treat our sisters. Real beauty is when I see it's Rika and I say, Rika, what's going on, girl? You look so beautiful. It's when I see Kerry and I say, oh my God, you're glowing to the look at you. Real beauty is when chit chat come on and I see she drop a picture and I say, no, mama. I run with something this. Real beauty is when chocolate come on and I say, that skin, Yep, baby girl, you see, ooh, mama, your skin glowing. That's what you call real beauty. Yeah. Come on now. Real beauty is more than just outer appearance, Priscilla. Real beauty is deep within. Real beauty is not just how you look. Real beauty is not the fact that your belly flat. Your belly can't flat. But your mind's so dirty. Real dirty. You're sick. Very sick too. Real beauty cannot be a thing where you just put on makeup, put on some wig and you know, we have to get to that stage where we feel better about ourselves more than just our outer. Not because you're a size 6, not because you have the Coca-Cola shape, not because your waist and this and that and something. Nothing like that. That not nothing to do with it.